Hey guys, it's me, AwesomeMinisGaming48, and today I will be playing Ravenfield. Just before I play this game, I'm just gonna say, if you don't want to watch, because there is a bit of blood and a lot of guns in this, if you don't like that kind of stuff, just don't watch the video, and you can watch my other videos, they're pretty good. So, let's get ready. Let's get started. I'm gonna be using the Castle Island map, which is custom, and I'm gonna be on the Raven team. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Okay. What? Okay, I've played this before a bit just to get some mods and do some stuff. So the mods I have right now are I have these two, which are pretty cool. Here, I'll just start showing them. Okay, let's go. So if you guys enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button below. And of course, hit that, if you are at all new, of course, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, it helps a lot. And I'm here in a helicopter. So this is what it is. What? I didn't press anything. It has a bit of bullets. Say. And let's get to it. Okay, where are the people? And people are shooting at me. If you think I'm noob, I am noob, so please don't judge. I am bad at this game. I am only good at parts of it. I am very bad at skills. Better just doing this. Oh crap. And this is another one of them, double-barreled shotguns and dual too. So let's do that. When you sprint, they don't show up, so you just have to wait and then they don't shoot at them. It's them. And I died, but I shot a person. There we go. Excuse me guys. Sorry. Also, is just this. I'll show you that. So, yeah. Okay. So it has a laser pointer or thing? No? Okay, I think that's that one. Has that kind of aim. Does that. Has 30 bullets. It's like a sniper. Pretty much is a sniper. You people who know a lot about guns are probably cringing right now, but sorry. Hey, where's Peeper? I just saw my friend got naded. Slow motion. Yeah, that's one of my favorite parts of this game, the slow motion. Because you can just get stuff ready and... No! Okay. Okay, that's a couple more. Okay, double shotgun. Oh, snap. Yeah, okay, people are looking at me. I'm scared. I'm hiding now. I shot one. Ah. Oh yeah, I just shot like 4 people. Nope, I'm dead. Okay, and we will be doing this one too. This one I think has a laser pointer. Yes, it does. And very... Yeah, it's not very accurate. Okay, let's try to fly a helicopter. I have no idea how to fly a helicopter, so let's learn. Oh crap. I am so gonna die. How could I die? Oh crap. Oh no, nope, I'm so dead. Okay, no, I can't drive that thing. People who know how to drive it and are just like, it's so easy and you cringe. It's true. What? It just flanked me farther into the water. Okay, let's go. What is it? Okay, let's take out the big guns. And yes, this is an RPG machine gun. It is very modded, and might as well call it hacks, because this is how extreme it is. It's very fun to use, because it kills everything, including your teammates. And then there's this saber that's not modded, so ignore that. Woo! Not bad. Ooh, snap. Ah, I'm dead. Okay, and that gives me another chance to show more of the guns. Okay, nope, not there. That's modded. There we go. And let's see if we can get anything modded in here. No, okay. Maybe anything in here. Minigun! There we go. Okay, there we go. This is the shotgun. Yeah, it looks like it's laser tech. I don't know why they don't have planes in this map. I really think they do, because for the noobs like me who don't know how to fly a helicopter, it's hard. Yeah. How? Why? Just... Okay, nope. Minigun! Yeah, guys, this is awesome. See? This is one of my other favorite guns. My artist friend, Rhiannon, also known as, I'm dead, I forgot that I was playing, also known as, something Llama. I'm sorry, I haven't looked at your channel for a long time. I'll check and I'll put it in the description, so, yeah, I'll do that. And where are we going with this? Yeah. She made me my new logo, which will be a surprise soon, if she could just send it to me over text now. But, yep. Okay. So, yeah. Where am I? Okay. I want to test out this gun, but I keep dying, because I'm new. Quiet for a shotgun, to be honest. Okay, go. Oops, shooting thousands of bullets. Oh snap! Oh snap! I'm dead. Hey, shot 3 people. That's not bad, right? And I still got some. Now I'll just do this one because it's from Star Wars, which is lit, and it has infinite bullets. But if it has a cooldown, if you shoot too fast. Has a scope, which I must like, and I know they're on my team. See? And that's the cooldown, so it's not really yeah. So I don't think I'll be playing very long for this episode. I'm sorry guys, it's just I don't have much to do. I'm just going to show you all the mods I just got, and yeah, how good I am at playing these, which is not very good. This flintlock is pretty cool, actually. It has 1 bullet and it takes a long time to reload. Hey, and we won. But not with my help. Okay, and it has smoke, which I think is sweet. Yeah, okay. When I move, I just die. Okay. And this will be the last time I'm showing with this mod. I'll exit, and so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, this short video of me just goofing around and yeah, showing you stuff. And leave comments on what I should play, of course. later. Bye.